This was a wonderful, beautiful place, and then it got crowded. Yeah, and they're all on those little ATVs all over the place. And we were going to town today, and guess what? Just a couple miles down the road, going towards Alpine, we found us a gorgeous place on the beach, and we have fantastic Wi-Fi. So, we will be filming from there. Yes, awesome. This is a gorgeous place though, but it did get crowded. And I'm into peacefulness, not hearing ATVs all day long. It is the weekend, so they can come out and have fun. I don't have anything against that. I just don't want it running by my door all day long. So that's the thing about coming to places like this, is you cannot complain if you want to go to one of these places, because they have a right to run their ATVs too. It usually only happens on the weekends. So if that's the case and you want to be here for 14 days, oh, in this spot here, you can only be here for 5 days, but that's okay. So if you want to be here for 5 days, make it during the week and go somewhere else for the weekend. That's, you know, hey, I'm just saying. Yep, lots of boats on the water today, but we're still gonna be on the water, just down on the other side of this point here, and we have great Wi-Fi. Awesome. So we'll see you over there. Bobby's weed eating. Yeah, the hard way.
Where's a good cabin when you need one with a weed eater? Man!
Y'all like our view? Woohoo!
I only got a couple more acres to do. Thanks, Kevin.
Palisades Reservoir in, well, out from Alpine, Wyoming. That's a happy boy when he's in the water. But it's a little rough here. Just a little. That's why all these people out here are on boards. Yeah. So what do you say?
Man, it's like quicksand out there, man. It's muddy. Well, they're having to drop the lake.
Yeah.
And that's the whole thing. See, they're walking out there. If it was full, that would be plenty deep. But they're trying to get it down so they can do dam repair.
I don't want to come up with my feet all dirty, you know?
Right.
Oh, so what'd you say? It's not fun.
It's not fun.
Water's all muddy.
Yeah, the water's all muddy and you're stepping on rocks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Can't go barefooted out there.
I'm sorry.
It's just.
If you don't go barefooted, your shoes want to come off.
The shoes come off where?
In the water.
Mud.
It's like quicksand, ain't it?
It's quicksand.
Well, normally that water's up where our trailers are at. So they're having
Wow.
to drain it. The girl said they're having to drain it to do dam repairs. But hey, it's all
Okay,
good.
well, we tried. We tried. You got wet.
I got wet.
Uh,
Now I'm hungry.
okay.
Go back, we gotta dig.
We are at KJ's. This is where you can dump your trash and get your water and dump your tanks. And of course they allow overnight parking here. And it's free. Of course they do ask for donations.